Floor to ceiling windows, check. Beautiful modern high-rise, new, very recently built, check. No maintenance flooring, check. Plenty of space to host a nice soiree or event, check. And beautiful kitchen that you and your friends and that special someone will just absolutely love, check. This apartment has everything. It's double check, triple check, quadruple check. It's got it all. It's just gorgeous. The kitchen is fully equipped too. All of the best appliances, including wine fridge and gas. Beautiful gas appliances, that gas stove, and gorgeous white countertops, white cabinets, and these gorgeous countertops here. They're just lovely. Huge island to serve even more people. Hey, this is a perfect Houston high-rise apartment for you. Send me a text. My number's below, and just say, Grant, man, I want your help to find a Houston high-rise apartment that looks like this, because this is pretty amazing. I'll be glad to help you. I'm really easy to work with, but also I've walked all these places. I walk all the places that I refer. I like working only with places that I've actually walked, so you can see them like this. And I'll make your Houston high-rise experience dreams come true with a fast, friendly, and fun experience. Send me that text and we'll get chatting right away. And by the way, that goes straight to my phone. It doesn't go to any kind of software. All right, coming up next, we're actually gonna do a walkthrough of this beautiful apartment. We're gonna go details, and so we're gonna do a two-part walkthrough, and it's gonna start out in the hallway.